So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh playlist from zero to hero in SQL. So today is our day 4 and today we are going to see all about the database in SQL. Okay, so first of all we have to know that what is mean by the database. Okay, so basically database means the place in which all the data is stored, that is known as the database. Okay, so if we talk about the data, that in which format the data is stored in the database. Okay, so basically our data is stored in the structural format in the database, in the rows and the columns in the tables. So basically if we talk about in what type of the format our data is stored in the database, our data is stored in the structural format, in the structured format as in the rows and the columns in the table. Okay, so we will see with the simple best example I have made this, just we will see. Okay, so this is an database. Here you can see this white border which you are seeing, just consider this is as database. Okay, so this is an database and in which there are too many tables, in which the tables there are the data stored which is in the structure format as in the rows and the columns. Let's see with the example. Okay, so here is an example in which here you can see that the structured data looks like this in the rows and in the columns. Okay, so this was all about the database. Okay, so further we are using the compiler as MySQL, in which before creating anything in the SQL we have to mention as create a database in the SQL. In the further videos we will see all about the SQL part. Okay, so this was all about the database. If you like this video guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.